What if I told you that for less than the cost of a pizza, you could have gear that might actually save your life in an emergency? Today, I'm breaking down 7 prepper essentials that won't break the bank, each one under $10, and each one could make the difference when disaster strikes. Whether you're prepping for your first emergency kit or upgrading what you already have, these budget-friendly items prove you don't need to spend a fortune to be prepared. Let's dive in. I remember the night our trail disappeared in fog. My little flashlight died, and silence felt endless around us. Then, a sharp, distant whistle sliced through the dark. A stranger's call guided us home with unexpected warmth. That moment taught me to never leave without tools. Meet the Emergency Zone 5 inches. One survival whistle. My companion. Bright orange, pocket-sized, ready for any unexpected moment outdoors. A powerful, shrill whistle that carries across valleys and woods. It made rescuers hear us when we needed them most. Built-in compass keeps direction clear when maps confuse you. Signal mirror reflects sun flashes to catch distant attention fast. Ferro rod sparks fire for warmth, cooking, and signaling. Waterproof container protects matches, meds, or tiny sentimental items. Everything tucks into one lightweight, weatherproof survival whistle. I keep mine in the pocket of my hiking jacket. It comforts me on long trails, storms, and lonely nights. For parents and partners, it's peace of mind in hand. For preppers, compact reliability when every ounce and second matter. Available in single, 3, 30, or 300 packs. Perfect for solo hikers, scout groups, and family trips. The whistle's tone is loud, piercing, undeniably attention-grabbing. Compact compass makes route checking quick and worry-free today. The mirror's sighting hole helps focus reflected sunlight precisely. Ferrocerium striker produces consistent sparks, even when wet. The sealed storage chamber keeps tiny treasures dry and safe. Every detail was designed for real outdoor emergencies. I trust it because it proved itself on the trail. Carry one, share one, help someone find their way back. Small, inexpensive gear that delivers enormous emotional reassurance. Be prepared, stay connected, and come home safely tonight. Order your Emergency Zone 5 inches, one survival whistle today. A small gift of safety for those you love most. Dusk thickens. Clouds swallow the last of the light. Footsteps slow. Wind sharpens against trembling exposed skin. A solo hiker clutches a map. Teeth starting to chatter. Temperature plunges. Horizon blurs into a freezing, silent threat. Panic nudges in radio dead. Shelter hours away. He reaches instinctively for a small, familiar pouch. Silver foil flashes under fading light like a promise. Meet the Fafaloop 10-pack emergency thermal blankets. Compact lifesavers. Each blanket folds small. Slips quietly into any backpack. Aluminized mylar reflects nearly 90% of escaping body heat. Waterproof and windproof, they shut the cold out immediately. Tear-resistant, reusable film that survives rough use and weather. A single sheet becomes shelter, ground sheet, or improvised bivvy fast. He wraps one around his shoulders. Warmth returns slow, steady. The group idea matters. 10 blankets cover more than one. Perfect for hiking parties, family trips, and prepper caches alike. One blanket fits in every first aid kit and roadside kit. Dimensions generous 52 by 84 inches for full coverage. Packs down to nearly 3 by 5 inches. Weight negligible. Light as a feather, sturdy like a trusted shelter. They reflect light, signal rescuers, and double as emergency ground sheets. Through the night, the foil keeps shivers at bay. Dawn finds them warm, eyes clear, exhaustion softened. They share one blanket. Laughter, replacing the earlier panic. We imagine mountains, rain, snow, and simple, reliable protection. Fafaloop answers the prepper's brief. Compact, durable, heat-retaining solution. Stock your kit with a 10-pack for group safety. Hikers and campers. Trust lightweight gear that actually saves lives. Buy Fafaloop now, add a practical layer to every adventure. Pack smart, stay warm, and keep your group safe. Ever been stranded with damp tinder and no reliable spark? That panic when matches fail in wind or rain? I used to waste hours trying to light a fire, until I found this tiny lifesaver on my keychain. Bulky tools, soggy matches, and cold nights frustrating. I wanted something compact, reliable, and always with me. No bulky weight, no wasted space in my pack. Also replaceable parts. I value durability in gear. Enter the Dosmam's Mini Fire Starter Game Changer. 2 compact rods, 1 orange, 1 green, for visibility. Aircraft aluminum body keeps it lightweight and rugged. Weighs just 0.7 ounce, perfect for everyday keyring carry. Replaceable 1/4 by 2-inch ferro rod delivers up to 8,000 strikes. Ferrocerium rod plus super hard alloy steel striker produces hot sparks. Sealed O-ring and waterproof design keeps rod dry inside. Windproof and weather resistant, ignites tinder even when wet. Tiny size fits pockets, neck cords, and key rings easily. Lanyard hole and striker hole keep everything secure together. Show me. Pull rod, scrape striker, see bright sparks fly. Even after rain, the ferro rod still lights dry tinder. Simple striker angle produces huge shower of hot sparks. Replace rod quickly, no special tools required. Threaded design. Attached to keyring or neck. Carry it everywhere comfortably. Used it for campfire, barbecue ignition, and emergency warmth. Perfect for hikers, campers, bushcrafters, and survivalists on trails. 2 bright colors make finding it in gear effortless. Compact, durable, replaceable, it's the EDC Firestarter I trust. If you hike, camp, or prep, add this to your kit. Grab the Dosmam's 2-pack orange and green, ready. Click to buy now, and never worry about fire again. Night hike turned chaotic when my flashlight died unexpectedly. Trail markers vanished. Maps useless. My hands fumbling for phone. Phone battery drained. Screen glare impossible to focus on trail. Pitch black campsite during power outage left everyone nervous and stranded. I needed a compact, reliable light, nothing bulky or fragile. Scrolling late night reviews, I kept seeing one flashlight recommendation. Clicked the link skeptically, expecting hype and disappointing specs. Unboxed the Blukar rechargeable flashlight within 2 days delivery. First impression, solid aluminum body and satisfying anti-slip knurling. Button feels tactile. Wrist strap prevents accidental drops during hikes. Feature that hooked me, USB-C rechargeable, 1800 mAh battery, 16-hour runtime. 1 full charge lasted my weekend camping without worries. Second feature, 4 lighting modes: high, low, strobe, SOS, emergency. Strobe and SOS provided instant reassurance during sudden night emergencies. Third standout, zoomable focus from floodlight to long-distance spotlight. That focused beam reached trail signs clearly across deep darkness. Durability impressed me. Anodized aluminum, drop, and water resistance. It survived being dropped on rocks during a steep descent. Compact size fits pocket or pack. Always effortless to carry. Lightweight, yet powerful. Perfect for EDC, camping, and emergencies. How it solved my problem. Reliable beam restored our route instantly. Battery endurance removed constant charging anxiety for the whole trip. SOS mode attracted attention. Rescuers found us faster than expected. Zoom function lit distant campsites for quick orientation at night. Every feature combined to convert panic into confident navigation and calm. As an influencer, I recommend this as essential outdoor gear now. Would you risk dark trails with unreliable lights? Why wait longer? Grab the Blukar flashlight today. Your next adventure deserves dependable light. Act fast, stock and deals won't last through camping season. Ready to upgrade your emergency kit? Tap, buy and shine. Trying to choose water treatment for camping, backpacking, prepping, tablets, filters, or bulky pumps, which really works best? Quick comparison. Filters versus iodine tablets. Pros and cons. Filters remove particles, require maintenance, can clog on trips. Pumps and UV need power, extra weight, more fragile gear. Basic tablets are lightweight, long shelf life, but taste issues. So where does Potable Aqua PA++ fit in? 2 50-count bottles, 100 tablets for extended trips. 2-step system. Iodine disinfects. PA++ neutralizes taste and color. Treats up to 25 quarts per dose into 35 minutes. Compact amber bottles slip into pockets in emergency kits. Lightweight coins dissolve clear, no iodine taste or color. Effective versus bacteria and Giardia lamblia proven disinfection. Compare size, bulky filters versus tiny potable Aqua tablets. Compare weight. Zero pump weight, just pocketable tablets and bottles. Compare speed. Filters can be slow, tablets act in 35. Compare maintenance. Filters need cleaning, tablets need nothing but water. Demo. Drop iodine tablets into murky water, wait. Then add PA++ neutralizer, water clears, and taste improves. Visual. Before cloudy brown, after clear and drinkable. Packability demo. Compare backpack pockets with tablets versus bulky pumps. Shelf life advantage. Long stable tablets versus filters that degrade. Buying advice. Choose tablets for lightweight, reliable emergency preparedness. Choose potable Aqua PA++ if taste matters in field water. Ideal for backpackers, campers, preppers who value space and safety. Also great for travel bags, military kits, and disaster supplies. Quick recap. Compact, fast, neutralizes taste, shelf-stable, lightweight. Practical tip. Carry water bottle, tablets, and a small cup. If unsure, grab the 250-count kit for redundancy. Ready to simplify hydration? Tap link to buy potable Aqua. Most people think a tiny mirror can't attract rescuers, or that bulky radios are always necessary for rescue. But optics and signal protocols outperform noise in many scenarios. I'm an outdoor safety instructor with years of field experience. I've trained hikers, search teams, and wilderness first responders. Small groups often underestimate signaling range and compact navigation tools. Lost hikers miss simple visual cues, wasting precious daylight. Whistles get lost in wind. Mirrors keep signaling line of sight. Use the military-grade 2x3-inch signal mirror kit everywhere. Compact stainless design includes compass, whistle, lanyard, and sight. High glint reflective surface produces long-distance heliograph flashes visible to rescuers. Star aiming sight lets you precisely direct flashes to search teams. Integrated compass provides quick bearing, ideal for map-based navigation. P-less whistle rated for long-range alerts, reliable in wet conditions. Optical signaling uses sunlight intensity, not battery life, for range. Reflectivity plus accurate aiming multiplies visible distance exponentially. Compass and whistle add redundancy when light conditions deteriorate. On a test hike, we signaled across a valley successfully. Rescue team reported seeing flashes from over 5 miles. Compass allowed immediate bearing. Whistle drew local attention quickly. The mirror fit in a chest pocket, always within reach. Durable stainless body resists corrosion, built for harsh environments. Lightweight design doesn't burden pack weight for long treks. Practical for hikers, campers, and serious preppers alike. Small investment significantly increases your signaling and navigation capabilities. Military-grade materials and integrated tools make this a reliable choice. Pack one next trip. Train at home with daytime practice. Check product specs, then add to your emergency kit today. Ever carried a full survival kit on your wrist? Meet aZengear Paracord Survival Bracelet. Tiny gear, huge potential. 5 tools, 1 band, fire starter, whistle, compass, mini saw, and over 10 feet of waterproof paracord tucked inside. Stranded at dusk, strike the flint, spark a warm fire. Wet tinder, paracord acts as tinder or emergency cordage instantly. Lost your way? Magnetic compass on buckle keeps you oriented. Need help? 100 decibels whistle signals rescuers across distance. Mini saw scrapes, branches, prepares kindling, or clears entanglements quickly. Adjustable fit covers wrists from 7 to 9.5. Comfortable, ready to wear, carry for hikers, campers, survivalists on the go. Pull the buckle unravel up to 10.5 feet cord. 7-core waterproof nylon handles heavy loads up to 550 pounds. Use cord as shelter, splint, clothesline, or emergency tow line. Cold night? Lightweight bracelet keeps essentials close. Protects you. 2-tone black and orange for visibility and tactical style. Quick release, buckle houses, compass, whistle, ferrocerium, flint, scraper, Every component designed for durability in harsh outdoor conditions. Perfect for camping, hiking, hunting, fishing, kayaking, or scouting trips. Great gift idea for teens, scouts, and preparedness-minded friends. Lightweight wearability means you won't notice it's there until needed. Assemble a shelter. Fashion a splint. Signal for help easily. Field-tested design. We cut no corners on quality assurance. 2 bracelets per pack share with your partner or buddy. Adjustable sizing fits most wrists. Ready for every adventurer. Quick demos. Spark fire. Blow whistle. Navigate. Unravel cord fast. Carry less gear but gain real survival, flexibility, and confidence. Order now and equip your next outdoor trip instantly. We stand behind product and provide top-notch customer service. aZengear Paracord Survival Bracelet, your pocket-sized lifeline on wrist. And there you have it, 7 life-saving prepper essentials, all under $10. For less than $70 total, you can have a solid foundation for your emergency kit. Remember, being prepared isn't about having the most expensive gear, it's about having the right gear when you need it most. All the product links are in the description below, so grab what you need and start building your kit today. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more budget prepping tips, and drop a comment letting me know which item you're adding to your kit first. Stay safe, stay prepared, and I'll see you in the next one.